Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cool Tool Tuesday. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Robin Lewis. I'm a YouTuber and furniture maker. This is my workshop where I film my videos. You're going to be seeing my face on some of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos coming up. So if you like anything that you see in this playlist, check down in the description below and you'll be able to find it on their website. Speaking of which, today we are going to be looking at this Balladonia router mat. Well, this isn't actually the router mat, this is just a box. So let's crack this bad boy open. So as you can see, this is 1 times a black router mat. It is 24 inches by 48 inches. Now, I might need someone to put on screen what that is in centimeters because I don't do quick maths. But either way, you can see this is a fairly large router mat. Now you may be asking yourself, what is a router mat and why would I need one? So for all of us peasants out there, myself included, who don't have a router table, whenever you're trying to route something small or delicate, you're kind of limited on options. One of the best ways to hold a piece down is to clamp it to your workbench, but if you have a really small piece, it can be a bit tricky to get that clamp down. And then you also find sometimes the clamp itself will get in the way of the router. So then you're left with the option of using your hands, and sometimes that can be a little bit too dicey for comfort. So enter the router mat, and it's a pretty simple piece of tech, but it works really well. This will be laid out on your workbench or your table, and because of this material that it's made of, it will grip onto the piece. So this is a non-slip material. It will stick to your workbench, and subsequently the piece on top of it will also stick. So it's made to not allow any objects to move or slide over it. It's non-skid, and they work fantastically well. I've used some of these in the past and they are amazing. There's a lot of these DIY hacks out there for different types of materials that you can use, but I always find myself coming back to an actual router mat. They just seem to work particularly well. Now I know possibly this isn't the most exciting tool, it's just a mat made of a bit of a strange material, but if you get into the habit of using one of these, it really does make your life a lot easier, and it will improve your workflow because you're not having to worry about fiddly clamps holding a piece in place. So you can pick this up now at the TimberCon store, either in store or online. I'll have all the details down below in the description. If you don't have a router mat, I would definitely recommend getting one. They are one of those godsend products that you never seem to have when you really need it, so having one in the shop just in case, it's a good idea. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. There'll be more details down below. There's going to be a couple more videos. My face will be on it as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.